Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Scania Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. First, let's talk about the interior. Scania is known for its solid engineering roots, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception in blending durability with upscale finishes. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that combines modern aesthetics with rugged usability. The materials used throughout are premium, from soft leather seating to fine wood veneers and brushed metal trims. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and panoramic windows for stunning views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest appliances, a built-in coffee machine, a full-size refrigerator, and, for those with refined tastes, a wine cooler. The bedroom, centered around the king-size bed, offers exceptional comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features high-end fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when on the move. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Scania Motorhome is a true work of art in the heavy vehicle space. With its aerodynamic styling applied to a truck-based platform, it slices through the wind efficiently, improving fuel economy and stability. The exterior is finished in high-durability metallic paint, which not only catches the eye, but also resists the elements. A large retractable awning provides a perfect outdoor living area, while custom alloy wheels and the iconic Scania Griffin logo add exclusivity. Built on a robust yet optimized chassis, it offers strong handling without unnecessary weight. Attention to every exterior detail ensures that this motorhome will turn heads wherever it travels. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Scania Motorhome is engineered with power and reliability in mind. Whether cruising highways or tackling tougher terrain, the vehicle delivers a commanding drive experience. It's likely powered by one of Scania's modern heavy-duty diesel engines, such as a 12-liter V8 or equivalent, with an advanced suspension system to smooth out bumps and undulations. An adaptive transmission shifts seamlessly, delivering a balance of power and comfort. In addition, the Scania Motorhome is expected to feature advanced driver assist and maneuvering technologies, making it easier to navigate tight spots and busy roads. It's a vehicle that truly bridges the gap between luxury and rugged performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Scania Motorhome is undoubtedly a high-end product, and its cost reflects that. Based on current market trends, the 2026 model, being brand new and top tier, could command a price in the range of €700,000 to €1 million plus, or approximately $750,000 to more than $1.1 million. This is not for the budget-conscious buyer, but for those seeking an elite, bespoke RV experience. That price would include all the custom features, high performance, and exceptional craftsmanship characteristic of Scania's reputation. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 Scania Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of rugged performance, refined luxury, and advanced technology. It offers comfort and sophistication rarely seen in heavy-duty RVs. Whether you're embarking on a long overland journey or simply desire the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Scania Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.